don't take a lot to make you rich.
How was that? Alright guys, I know it's been a minute since my last video, but fear not, because today we're going on a dope adventure. Alright, so what happens when you think you might be interested in skydiving, but the idea of jumping out of a plane at 12,000 feet in the air is a little bit scary?
Oh, hell no!
So of course you want to know if there's a legit yet safe alternative, and that's why today we're going to check out iFly Indoor Skydiving at One Loudon in Ashburn, Virginia, right outside of Washington, D.C. Alright, so I made a reservation at iFly, which houses a vertical wind tunnel where people simulate skydiving without the threat of dying, which for me is excellent. Alright, so I've never actually gone skydiving, but for those of you who have, or for those of you who have either interest in doing the real thing or the indoor version, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and leave a reply in the comment section below. Alright, let's check this out.
I will come back to help review some stuff with you. Alright, I'll play a video for you. Do your best to pay attention, and I will be back.
Alright, so the first thing I had to do after putting on my gear was watch a safety video on what to expect as a first-time indoor skydiver. After walking through the typical levels of progression from beginner to pro, I learned the general skydiving position and got hooked up with the safety helmet. As you can see, the only thing left to do is to hop in the wind tunnel and fly. But trust me guys, getting started is not exactly easy. But of course, after about 2 to 3 minutes, your body will adjust to the airflow and you'll be able to fly unassisted. Alright guys, as you can see, I had a blast at iFly. With respect to whether or not this is an awesome alternative to skydiving, I've never been skydiving, but I've got to tell you, this was absolutely fun. I highly recommend it. So if you're in the Washington, D.C. area, or you're in a city where they have an iFly, go check it out. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and hit that like and subscribe button. See you guys later. Peace.